Ever wondered how to start a real estate business without spending a penny? Today, we unravel the mystery. The realm of real estate may seem daunting with its vast landscapes of properties and intricate legalities. However, with the right knowledge and strategic planning, it's possible to dive into this business without parting with your hard-earned cash. Let's get into the heart of the matter. Starting a real estate business for free doesn't mean that it's trivial or effortless. Far from it. It requires a deep understanding of the market, building a strong network, and effective marketing and branding. But with perseverance and strategic planning, you can navigate the complexities of the sector without a financial investment. So how does one initiate such a venture? And why should strategic planning be your cornerstone? These are some of the questions we'll explore as we delve deeper into the world of real estate. Stay tuned to discover the steps to starting your real estate business for free. Before diving into the business, understanding the real estate market is crucial. Embarking on the journey of real estate entrepreneurship, the first and foremost step is to truly grasp the workings of the real estate market. It's not just about buying low and selling high. It's a complex web of factors, trends, and strategies that can either make or break your venture. Let's start with market trends. These are patterns or tendencies in the real estate market that can indicate the direction in which the market is heading. They can include fluctuations in property prices, shifts in supply and demand, or changes in economic conditions. For instance, during a recession, property prices may fall, creating potential opportunities for savvy investors. Understanding these trends is akin to having a compass in the vast ocean of real estate. Next, we delve into customer behavior. Real estate at its core is a people business. Knowing your customers' needs, preferences, and buying habits can provide invaluable insights. For example, if you notice a trend of families preferring suburban homes over city apartments, you might consider focusing your investments in that area. It's like being a detective, piecing together clues to paint a picture of your ideal customer. Last but not least, we cannot overlook the competition. Real estate is a competitive field, with many players vying for a piece of the pie. Understanding your competition means knowing their strategies, strengths, and weaknesses. This can help you find your unique selling point, or perhaps a niche market that has been overlooked. Think of it as knowing the other players in a chess game to better strategize your next move. In essence, understanding the real estate market is about gathering as much information as you can about trends, customers, and competition. It's about being proactive, not reactive. It's about strategic planning, not just wishful thinking. Comprehending the market will be your first strategic move in your free real estate business venture. Your network will be your net worth in the real estate business. This is a mantra for many successful real estate professionals, and it's especially true when you're starting with minimal or no capital investment. So why is networking so crucial in real estate? Well, it's simple. In this industry, relationships are everything. They're the foundation of your business. They're the conduits through which opportunities flow. They are what keep your business moving forward, even when times get tough. Building a robust network in real estate is like constructing a well-oiled machine. Each connection, each relationship is a cog in that machine, driving your business forward. And the best part? You don't need a single penny to start building this network. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds great, but where do I start? Well, the answer is closer than you might think. In this digital age, online platforms are a fantastic place to begin. Social media sites like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram can be powerful tools for networking. They allow you to connect with like-minded individuals, industry leaders, and potential clients from all corners of the globe. But remember, networking isn't just about collecting contacts. It's about building genuine relationships. So don't be afraid to engage with others, share your thoughts, ask questions, and offer help when you can. In addition to online networking, don't forget about the power of face-to-face connections. Attend local real estate events, seminars, and meetups. These are goldmines for networking opportunities. You'll meet people with similar interests and goals, who can offer advice, share experiences, and potentially lead you to your next big opportunity. As you continue to build your network, you'll find that the benefits are far-reaching. A strong network can lead to partnerships, investment opportunities, and even mentorship. It can provide you with a wealth of knowledge and resources that you wouldn't have access to otherwise. In essence, your network is your support system, your sounding board, and your stepping stone to success. It's the lifeblood of your real estate business. Remember, a strong network can open doors to opportunities that money can't buy. In the world of real estate, marketing and branding can set you apart from the crowd. They serve as your business's unique fingerprint, setting the tone for how your clients perceive and interact with your services. Let's dive into marketing first. It's not just about selling properties. It's about selling the experience, the dream of owning a home. And to do that, you need to tell a compelling story. This is where free online tools come into play. Social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook offer an excellent stage to showcase properties, share client testimonials, and engage with potential buyers. Regular posts, live virtual tours, and interactive Q&A sessions can help you create a dynamic and engaging online presence. Then we have content marketing, another powerful tool. By creating valuable and engaging content, like blog posts or free ebooks about real estate trends or home buying tips, you can position yourself as an industry expert. This not only increases your visibility, but also builds trust with your audience. Let's not forget about email marketing. By sending regular newsletters with updates on new properties, market trends, or tips for home buyers, you can stay in the minds of potential clients and establish a consistent communication channel. Now, on to branding. Your brand is more than just a logo or a tagline. It's the feeling that people get when they think of your business. It's about creating a unique identity that reflects your values, your approach, and your promise to your clients. To build a strong brand, think about what sets you apart from your competitors. Is it your exceptional customer service, your extensive knowledge of the local market, or maybe your commitment to sustainable housing? Whatever it is, make sure it's reflected in every aspect of your business, from your website design to your communication style. And finally, consistency is key. Ensure your brand's visual elements, tone of voice, and messaging are consistent across all your marketing channels. This not only strengthens your brand identity, but also makes it more memorable. Remember, a well-marketed brand can attract potential clients without any financial investment. Let's recap the key steps to start a real estate business for free. We started our journey by delving into the intricacies of the real estate market. Understanding the market is not just about knowing the price of properties. It's about identifying trends, recognizing opportunities, and predicting potential pitfalls. By keeping a keen eye on market movements and adapting to them, you are setting yourself up for success in the real estate industry. Next, we talked about the importance of building a network. In real estate, your network is your lifeline. It's through this network that you'll find opportunities, get referrals, and learn from experienced professionals. Remember, your network is not just about quantity, but also quality. Cultivate relationships with individuals who can provide valuable insights and help you navigate the complex world of real estate. We then moved on to the power of marketing and branding. In a field as competitive as real estate, having a strong brand and a powerful marketing strategy can set you apart from the crowd. Your brand is your promise to your clients. It's what you stand for, what you offer, and how you deliver it. And your marketing strategy is how you communicate this brand to the world. So invest time in crafting your unique brand and in developing a marketing strategy that reaches your target audience effectively. The journey to starting a real estate business for free may seem daunting, but remember, every successful real estate magnate started somewhere. It's a journey of constant learning, networking, and adapting. And while it may not require a hefty financial investment, it does require a significant investment of time, effort, and resilience. This marks the end of our guide on starting a real estate business for free. Remember, success in real estate doesn't always require a hefty investment. It's all about strategy, network, and branding. So get out there, start building your empire, one property at a time.